Plastics play a major role in improving our quality of life and boosting energy efficiency. Taking medical technology to new heights and giving our lives greater comfort, plastics put the answers in our hands for a safer, more brilliant tomorrow.
For the medical industry, there's a lot of transition to go to single use. A lot of instrumentation that used to be metal or glass has transitioned to plastic because it's lighter weight, it's easier to manufacture, lower cost to manufacture, and it's easier to use one time and dispose of as opposed to trying to sterilize a reusable substance, which then can cause bacterial growth or issues with the patient. Plastics have been very unique because they can be used one time and they can be molded into lots of different shapes. It's very fast to make a material like a blood testing vial or reshaping someone's knee implant. With a plastic, it's a lot more tailorable. A lot more people have the applications to make plastics as opposed to metals or glasses. So in that case, it's become a lot more prevalent, a lot more use in the medical industry.
Plastic can be found almost anywhere, and by understanding its chemical makeup and our uses for it, we can benefit of its versatility while also being mindful of its impact on our planet.
There's a global alliance to end plastic waste. It's $1.5 billion that's been set aside from a lot of the major resin producers like the Exxons, the Dows, the Chevrons, LyondellBasell. And that is money that we're looking to put to use to find alternative ways to handle, recover, reduce, reuse, recycle the materials that we've been all using every day and finding out that they're winding up in the ocean. The marketplace is still slow to respond, but fortunately there is a wide acceptance that we are all responsible for our plastic, where it goes, and we have to find solutions to make sure that it's not winding up in our oceans, our landfills, our water, our food system, because it'll affect us all.
CHEMRES, a global supplier of commodity and engineering resins with mastery in formulations and compounding technology, delivers cost-effective material solutions to the plastics industry while continuously challenging its employees to keep an innovative mindset to reduce environmental impact.
CHEMRES is a compounder of specialty plastics engineering compounds. We focus on the medical device market, the wire and cable market, and how to use recycle stream in our plastics so that it makes a benefit for the environment going forward. CHEMRES is approached with many customers coming to us for needs that require advanced formulations in the medical device area because of the aging baby boomer population. There's a lot more devices and medical technology that's being used out there, and they're looking for better controls because the equipment that they're required to do the diagnostics on are becoming much more sophisticated. In the past, they could have used a resin that may have had much broader tolerance specification, but now they're saying we need something that has much better controls, and this is where CHEMRES has been able to open up those markets. Even these specialized applications, there's opportunity for us to develop a more conscientious way of handling the plastic. What we have found we've been able to do, in some applications, we take some of this recycled material and we've been able to put it in a co-extruded or a co-injection molded application where the core of the material is a recyclate and then the outside of the material is virgin material that comes with special additives, but it's not a recyclate. CHEMRES started with myself, my wife, developing some formulations in the garage. Here we are, fast forward 30 years later, and we've been awarded the ISO 13485, which is a medical device certification that allows us to show a higher caliber of capabilities than a typical compounder may have.
CHEMRES delivers total customer satisfaction and business continuity throughout the product lifecycle. Throughout the operations, we keep focused on the 4 R's of sustainability. That is recycle, reduce, reuse, and recover. CHEMRES has a multi-level partnership with certain universities like Rutgers and Virginia Tech. I'm a Rutgers MBA graduate and I was introduced to CHEMRES through one of my professors in 2009. I started here as an intern and I've seen the company grow double digits since. The spirit of entrepreneurship and innovation has really been key to the growth that we have achieved. And these ideologies really started ever since the company was founded in the early 90s by Paul Keimig in his garage. And these ideologies are still going throughout our organization and has really been key for us to innovate and offer cost-effective solutions, as well as focusing on total customer satisfaction and sustainability.
CHEMRES, quality polymers, global logistics, and versatile solutions. To learn more, visit chemres.com.